Yo, it is what it is. How's everyone doing? Alright, so, y'all will join me on this evening tonight. Welcome, everyone. Alright, let's get programming. I hope Faxfer joins us today, because I added a lot of stuff that he wanted. Okay. So where do we leave off? We left off here. So we had portals. We had portals that didn't work. They kind of worked. I think we had a plan last night, chat, on how to fix this. I don't know. The only plan I have was this. Which makes no sense now that I look at it. Okay. Welcome to Stream Faxfer. So, let's... Okay, let's see what we were... I have no clue what I did last night. Right. Okay, yeah, our collision class. So, we needed... Okay. We needed to get this portal to deactivate. Well, we went through it. And we were going to do that by accessing our player class. Didn't we already try doing this? Public Boolean last portal equals false. Oh, right. Okay, I remember what we wanted to do last night. We wanted to create a third trigger, chat. We wanted to create a third trigger. That's right. Okay, Wheatley's 4-part plan, part 2. Alright, wait, part 3. So, here's what we gotta do, chat. Alright, so we already established, right, that we have a trigger here. Whoops. So okay, so for anyone new coming in, here's a Wheatley's 4-part plan, part 3. So we have our mini trigger. Then this gives the illusion of us crossing the portals. Then we have the actual portal trigger, and same over here. Right? And now what's happening is our player is accessing this trigger as soon as they spawn in, and that's not good, so it keeps on, it's like an infinite loop. So, what we need to do, right, is we need to make a third trigger, which is just huge. It's like, it engulfs it, right? So, we make this trigger. So now we have 3 different triggers. We have the small, larger, and the biggest. So we have that. Alright. No valve can. Okay, this is okay. You're right, Faxer. This is Wheatley's 4-part plan episode episode 2. There we go. Wheatley's 4-part plan episode 2. Alright. So, okay, we have that. Now we're gonna say if, okay, we just say game.p.last, .p.last portal equals true, because we need to set false equal to orange, and we're gonna make true equal to blue. You know, chat, would you guys be interested in seeing me next week? Oh. Hey. Hey, Mars. Welcome to our stream. Glad to see you're joining us again. So, would you guys be interested in watching me program Team Fortress 2 next week? Because I'm planning on making this like a weekly thing where I just stream. Anyways. Oh, also, Mars, if you didn't see, this is Wheatley's 4-part plan. I spelled plane. Okay, this is Wheatley's 4-part Plan X, episode 2. Alright. Okay, cool. So we have this. And we're, okay, now we gotta make our super, okay, we're gonna call this, this is what we're gonna call, this, let's get that. Okay. Alright. Orange Portal Super Collider. So we're just gonna go outside the width, and we're gonna like multiply this by like 2, I don't know. And height we don't care about. So we have the Orange Portal Super Collider, and we're gonna get the Blue Portal Super Collider. And obviously we're gonna have to make these BPs the BP. Oh, welcome to the stream, What the Fly. Alright. I mean, yeah, I'm not using Valve assets, so I can, if Mar.io can do it, which is a Portal fan game, I guess you can call it, if they can do it, then I can do it. Okay. Okay, so we're not gonna put the, oh, maybe. Idea happened. If player.intersects Blue Portal Super Collider. That's very aperture of me. Hello and welcome to the Blue Portal Super Collider Super System. Alright, anyways, so we're gonna make that. The last part of the answer is true. And then we're gonna make another one. Okay. So we're gonna make this our Blue Portal. Okay, we're gonna call this Orange Portal Super Collider. Is that not? Oh, orange. There we go. And we're just gonna make this false. And in theory, all I have to do now is write if game.bp, I'm sorry, I meant p dot last portal not, then we're just gonna come over there. There's no way this is gonna work. Okay, whatever. We're doing it anyways. Okay. Make that, and now we hope that it works. This did nothing. That did absolutely nothing. Alright, you know, I'm curious to see how our Super Collider looks like. So let's just do real quick, g.set color, color.red, g.fill-rect. Actually, rather we should do g.draw-rect instead, since we don't want to fill that. Also, I made sprites. I made sprites for our portal. Okay. No, let's just do... Cool, I want to see why our... Okay, this is going to help us visualize the chat. Because in theory, this should all be working. And holy moly, chat, I realize why this is not working. So it is working fine. But, yep, my theory... Look, we hit the red line and that's what happens. Okay, that's why it's not working. So if we just shift this by like 20 pixels, maybe? Yeah, 20 pixels. Just so that we're out of the way. So yeah, and okay, obviously we gotta add 20 to this. Well, we don't have to add 20. Well, okay, we'll fix that later. That's not important right now. Let's try it. What did we say? We said plus 20 and we said minus 20. Okay, now these should be more accurate. That did not do anything. Let's print out what our last portal is. Okay. We shouldn't do it there. We should more or less do it down here. Okay, so our last portal entered. This logic makes no sense. Oh, because our portal needs to be over there. Don't know why I just tried doing a British accent. That was very cringy of me. Anyways, alright, we're gonna use big brain math here. Big brain math. That's right, big brain math works out. So we lost some viewers. It's not good. Okay, so I think this math is gonna work. So instead of... Okay, this is our complicated math and cooking part. I just stole that joke from another YouTuber. It's a great guy. I don't know his YouTube channel name, but he made some really cool ass videos. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, false. Yes. Why? Come back. Why does this only work when it wants to? Okay, so right now this should be false, correct? No, it's true. Why is it true? That's not good, because we want to make that so it's false. Let's try doing else. Whoops. Yes, this is stupid. Had I done it? Okay, so when I come here, what is it telling me? Okay, this is annoying. We gotta get rid of that. That's really annoying. Okay. True. True. And why? Why? Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Because this is a mirror. This is just a mirror, I forgot. That is just a mirror, chat, that's why. So in reality, what we should be doing is instead of putting it here, we need to put it there. Boom. Oh. We do game.p.p. We do game.p. Last portal. We don't even need a super collider. Equals not game dot. So we're getting the opposite of the last portal. And then now we can just screw it. These super colliders didn't work. I'm sad. I am sad. This is just mocking me. This is a mock. This is mocking me. Hey Mike, welcome to the stream. Okay, so we got portals. That's so irritating. That's literally just doing what we did. So the super colliders were working. But do we even need a super collider? That's a real question, chat. Do we need a super collider? No, we don't need a super collider. Because clearly, maybe we do. Maybe the Aperture Science, we need a 4-step plan. We need Wheatley's 4-part plan. Alright. Let's get rid of that. We need Wheatley's 4-part plan episode Alex. There we go, chat. Episode Alex. There we go. Okay, good enough. Alright, so we currently have small collider. We have this collider. And we have the big boy collider. Now, what do we do with that information? Clearly, this does not care if you're in. Oh my gosh, I just came out of it. Okay, so episode Alex is going to be that this collider disables this collider when going into this collider. Makes sense? It doesn't? Okay, we do it anyways. It's going to be it's a lot simpler than what I just said. But, I'm full of shit. So, let's leave that. What we can do is not change our X position until... What is this, Jen? This mockery. Portals are hard. Portals are hard, chat. Okay, so we're inside the Aperture Science. Oh. 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 This is... Oh. Watch this, chat. Chat, I'm about to blow your mind. Watch this. Y'all guys are gonna be like, wow, and I'm gonna be like, ho ho ho. And you're gonna be like, oh, wow. Okay, so all we gotta do now is just come over here. We don't even need the else statement. What? How crazy is that? We just go orange portal super collider. Okay, this is not even important right now. What our main concern is this right here. Okay, let's try doing that times 2. Holy moly! There we go. I forgot to set that to OP. That's why it has not been working. That didn't do jack shit. By the way, chat, the problem right now is that we're instantly teleporting. So let's multiply this by 2 so we get it on the other side. Why are you, oh. That's why. I multiplied it with the object. You can't multiply objects, it needs to be a number. Okay, see, oh, that's why, because I forgot to change it here. I would have spent a long time trying to figure that one out. Yeah, multiply by 2, that's the answer. We have to multiply by 2. Okay, multiply this by 2. And now... portals! Okay, I don't even care. It's working. In my eyes, it's working. This is the Mona Lisa to me. Okay, so it's gonna be really easy from here. It's gonna be extremely easy. Okay, chat. Alright. I don't think this is registering for some reason. Yes, pretty debugging. No, it's not. It's not. We figured out the answer, gentlemen. The last portal. Okay, for some. Oh wait, I should probably leave this. For some reason, this is not intersecting, and I don't know why. We are using the orange portal super collider. So where's all the math and cooking? It's all here in our math class. Because of how epic our math is. Anyways, so hey, 2 likes. Remember to like the stream, everybody. I don't even know what to do. Because for some reason, because I know why. Sequence of events, ladies and gentlemen. Sequence of events. So theoretically, if I just did that now, okay, you see that is not working. Okay, let's make sure we're drawing it there. Let's be absolutely positives, and let's just drill. Oh. Why was I multiplying the height? Oh, with. Now, okay. There we go. I changed my mind. This? Okay. Okay, we're gonna... Okay, gentlemen, we're adding game.op... Sorry. Game.p for player get width. There you go. So now it's gonna be like a perfect... It's gonna be a perfect square. That's nice. That's some shitty program. Don't worry, it's gonna get deleted, so it's honestly just fine. Had I done it? By mistake, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't even change anything. So it's been working the whole time. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you portals. I present to you portals. These interdimensional... That was smooth. Okay, going into the yellow portal is not that smooth. I'll be completely honest. Because I think the trigger is too close. It should be more or less at the end, but it's not. Because as you can see, like the blue is fine, because the blue is at the end. That's smooth. That's smooth. I like that. That's if we were on Twitch, I would say that's poggers. But I don't use Twitch. And we're not on Twitch. So it cannot be poggers. But in my eyes, it's the most pogger thing in the world. There's still a little bit of debugging we have to do, so like our orange portal collider, that's what we need to debug this. G.sec, I don't know why did I delete all that? I didn't need to delete all that, I just did, for no reason. Anyways, G.set, what do we want to set, chat? We want to set our, we don't want to set anything, we want to draw a rectangle. So where's our collider? Yeah, you see, this makes sense. Yeah, that would explain why it's being so weird. What we must do, here's what we must do. What we must do is divide this by, whoops, divide this by game.op dot width, I believe. I lied. We have to subtract that. That's what I meant. Add that. We have to add that. Aha! What? Why are we... Oh, because we didn't update it here. I got scared for a second. Okay, collision. Okay. Oh. I have no clue why this happens. There's something here. Don't tell me it's the mini collider. What's going on over here? Having a little dance party with itself. My Java froze. Okay. Only one viewer. Well, thank you for watching, one viewer. I'll be back tomorrow. Orange portal. Orange portal glitter. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? This, I think this is screwing us over. Because we don't do this with our mini collider up here, do we? No, we do. So then why are you being weird? I don't know, that's a good question. For some reason right here, I don't know what collider is right here, but some collider is, it has to be the draw mirror. I'm convinced it has to be the draw mirror. Like, we just don't do that. this won't be an issue. Oh, and look who was right. Hey! Hey, portals. Hmm. Wait. This might just be a problem with us. Because if I'm not mistaken, we are... If not OP... So if the Orange Portal is not Drawing Mirror, then we just do it normally. What's all this code? Why do I have like 50 of these? I have no clue, but we apparently do. You draw mirror entities. Huh? Oh, right, we were working on that. So what does this do? I don't know. But wait, let's try doing this. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so this has significance. Damn, that's a smooth transition. The blue portal to the orange, I mean. Not really orange, because orange to blue's kind of wonky. But then, yeah, so as soon, okay, we start, right, so let's now do this. Okay, we're gonna say if OP dot is draw mirror, else if BP not OP, I guess we're just gonna flip it all. If OP, OP, BP, BP, OP, so, we should keep these as BPs. Except now all we gotta do is just adjust the values. Ah, great, this is not working now. Let's write this in else. Whoops. Else riff. What buffering? Buffering? No, we're at 60 FPS. Wait, let me see how the stream quality is. The stream quality is fine. Wait, let's come. I don't know what YouTube's on about. It's fine. Okay, back to programming. Portals. I think what we need to do is access instead of... Okay, so as a test, as a test, let's try to add 20 or something. I don't know. Just to see how if this works. Yeah, no, it's not doing anything. Okay, second solution, genius solution number 2. We come over here and we do set this. Instead of, oh right, instead of our mini collider, let's, oh, maybe we do have to do our mini collider. Okay. I don't know, I see that's happening. There, it's working, right? It's clearly working. It's just, it's not working in terms of, okay, let's do our usual debug stuff. So where we come in here, okay, so this should be let off the hook. Okay, we come out the port, aha! So it is our mini collider. Our mini collider has been the problem. And we've been blaming, we've been blaming our big boy collider. It was the mini collider. And that's not healthy. So, I don't know where, but somewhere, if our big collider, somewhere the big collider, we're doing something cool. Like, because if you guys look, some collider is doing this. I don't know which one, but if you ignore this, right? Look, once we hit this trigger over here, it starts working fine. Like, wow, it looks, it's like doing really good. And we know it's not because of our mini collider, because watch this. If we disable it, it does it anyways, which is good. So we just gotta figure out which one does this. It has to be this line of code, because if I disable this, oh, it's working so good. So it's not this, I lied. It might be this, but this wouldn't affect our orange portal, this would affect our blue portal. This would make our orange portal, wait, what, it is this. That's a bug. Well then, I guess it's working. I mean, we shouldn't worry about it then. If it's working. Okay, whatever, I'll take that. Then this is a huge success. It's just, look how, okay. Look how clean the blue portal is. Versus our orange portal. Whoops. Cause, right now, that should be getting bigger, but it's getting smaller. So it should start up from small to big. So when we go to draw our mirrors, what are we setting here? We're setting, okay. If not BP, if BP dot is draw mirror, okay, we should be adding our index instead of taking it away. Excuse me, what did I just say? Okay, so our blue portal is working fine, just to test that, just to make sure we didn't do anything too dangerous. That's seamless. That's nice. I like that. Okay, so sure, our stream's doing good. Alright, chat. Oh, welcome back, Faxker. So, Faxker, let me fill you in with what we got. Look at this. So, okay, ignoring this, we now have portals. Like the portals now are fully functional. I'm making them look nice now. Like, I made sprites for them. Like, if we go into my folder, okay, I made these three sprites. I made a blue portal, a cube, and an orange portal. So let's put these into our portal folder. I actually forgot to do this. So we can let's create a new folder, a new source folder called. Oh, also while you were gone, we also made we made a Wheatley's 4-part plan episode Alex, by the way, which worked. This was actually one of the first plans that actually worked, surprisingly. Anyways, let's create a source folder. Let's call this res. Now in this source folder, all that's going to happen is it's going to put in all our images into our res. Okay, there we go. And now if we go into here and we refresh, see that we now have our images. So, wait, let me turn on my lights in my room. 1 sec. Okay, the lights have been turned on. So the problem I'm trying to fix right now. Okay, look how seamless this orange portal is, right? But then you go back into the orange portal, and it shrinks. Like the blue portal shrinks inside of. Like you've seen the blue portal how this one shrinks and this one grows. Yeah, that's the complete opposite for the orange portal. This one shrinks like normal, but then this one also shrinks. And that's what I'm currently trying to figure out. If not op dot is draw mirror, g dot fill rect, p dot get x, p dot get y, p dot get so what are we setting here? We're setting our draw mirror to be false. That means that our blue portal is the one that we're getting the mirror for. I don't know, 20,000. Okay, so it's not that. It's not that one. Let's add 3,000. Oh my gosh. I think we found it. Let's add the index instead. Where are we even updating our index? We're not. We never update the index. We got the right idea, chat. Wait, if not op dot is draw mirror, this is what we're after. This should be our answer right here. So if we add 200 to this, if not BP, if this, okay, let's make this a standard one. Wait, what? Oh, I thought we just fixed the problem for a second. I was very confused. I was not expecting that. And then, obviously, like all things in programming, it never gets fixed. Yeah. So, no factor, it's fine. Don't delete your message. It's all good. Uh, BP says, I have no clue. Because if this doesn't work, then what? Are we not setting it to be true? Because when we come in here, orange, holy moly. Wait a minute. Hold up. Hold up. Hold that door. Hold that door for me. Because right now, we figured it out. If player... Let's submit over here. Player intersects blue portal super collider. No, it's not. Here, this is it. Or mini collider. Okay, so we want to say OP false. So false, 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 false. Oh, I figured out our problem. Our orange portal was never the problem. It was us all along. You know what? It's got the right idea. It has the spirit. It has the spirit. So, okay, let's make this a single if statement. I just don't like that that's... I mean, obviously, I know why that's happening, but it's easy to fix. It's fine. Why are you like this? I remember now why we stopped doing this. I don't have to, no, that's not even the problem. Never has been. I don't know. Maybe if we. Okay, you know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? The problem is that we need to flip it, but we're not, and that's an issue, and that's an issue that must be fixed. It's an issue that has to be fixed and euthanized. But actually, let's keep this for temporary. Again, that's not... this is not what we want. Okay, wait, is there... I never actually checked. Is there a thing to, like, click? Can I, like, click comment this all out? You can, is it? Okay, but is there a command for that? Control 7. Did it do anything? Control 7. Oh, that's cool. That's gonna come in handy. Wait, can I just use on individual lines too? You can. That's cool. Okay, so let's try this now. Why doesn't this work? Oh, wait, let's come back in. Okay, how about we write? Because I'm pretty sure. Wait, let's do this. I'm pretty sure this is what controls that, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, it is. Okay. So why don't we just say, oh, this is big brain time. Let's write if g dot player, whoops, I meant p, if, sorry, I mean game dot p dot last portal equals false. Because remember, chat, false is orange, and true is blue. I believe so, right? Let's go to our player class. Yeah, false is orange. G dot fill back to p dot get x, p dot get y, p. Okay, so we're gonna set that equals to true. Else. Okay. The plan is set into commission chat. Okay, blue portal, check. Okay. It's got the right idea. Let's make sure that this is actually working. So we come in. Oh. Wait. Let's go into our collision. Let's get rid of this. We don't need this. We already established that the orange portal super collider is working. So Factor, if you want me to explain how that works and the concept that I'm using, just let me know, alright? And I'll explain that to you. Okay. And we start. So clearly that's not working. So what we do? I don't know what to do. Because okay, let's try this. And game dot op dot get x does not equal. Well, that's stupid. That's just dumb. That's just silly. Oh, no it's not. We can just C dot check collision. No. Oh no. Okay, what we can do is we can fire an individual collider. Meaning, all the portal gun's gonna be tough to make. Meaning that when we we're gonna need to return a value. I am too tired today. Anyways, let's return a value. So let's make a public boolean return value. Wait, no, return collider value. value super collider. Yeah. Yeah. Return. We're gonna return. Okay, so we're gonna make some updates to our collisions here. Oh no. Wait, actually, in this circumstance, it's okay since we're not having any numerical. Technically, we're not having any technical, like integers and stuff. So it's okay. All we have to do is. Yeah, before I continue any further, let's just, before I forget, and game.p, not game.p, game.c, no, yes, okay, whatever, fine, return collider values, and not, okay, yeah, wait, what? Okay, so this is working out fine. Okay, good, so everything's still working in check. It's just a little bit things are out of whack. Facts here, we do need sound effects, but I really need to get this working first. Because I still, like, okay, I'm gonna be honest with you, after the portals, it's smooth, it's gonna be really smooth sailing from here. It's gonna be smooth sailing. Like, it's gonna be really nice after this. Like, everything else is gonna be, so, okay, let's make another plan. It's gonna be a list of things that we need. So, Wheatley's 4-part list, episode Alex part 2, episode 1. There we go. So, but yeah, sound effects I might do on like later stream. Alright, anyways. Ooh, is that my screen or is that the real thing? Yes, no, it was real thing. Okay, so let's create, okay, we need to do sound effects. We need to do medic, no. We need to do I don't know. Oh, companion cube. Companion cube? Which I made the art for. So sound effects, companion cube, and portal gun. Portal gun. Anything else that we should add? Let's think. Oh, okay, we're gonna need to update our player. And then add HSP and VS, oops, and VSP. What? I can't type. What is sorcery? Okay, well, I can't type it anymore, so. Based movement. Okay, this I think Photoshop. Cool. Anything else? People are okay. That's more or less like story. What I'm trying to do is like a Portal engine. I mean, I might make the whole entirety of Portal on this, but cores is like overkill a little bit because that's like now that's just actually Portal 2, and I'm one man making this in a week, so I can't really do too much cores. I think that's fine. Yeah, this is our good for now. I mean, but in all actuality, I can make cores. That'd be fun to make. Just want to be practical. You know what I'm saying? Since we're not making like a game, technically, we are, but not a full game, so it's gonna be kind of like you. It's kind of like it's gonna be like the pre-app. I don't know how you say it. Pre-actual testing initiative or something. PTI, and Portal 2. It's gonna be kind of like that, but 2D. Okay. What were we doing here? Okay, we're gonna return player.intersects orange portal super collider. Yeah, it's starting off big. Well, no, it's starting off like, whoops. Yeah, it's starting off big. I need to start off small and gradually get bigger. You know, I'll add it to the list. Maybe. We'll call it extra. Extra. No, there's no pre-form. It's Cores and Gladys. Because we implement Cores, we implement Gladys. Okay, maybe this. That makes that look nice. Right. Now, we're also gonna, I want to return, let's make this a boolean, return value, and then we can return our return value. And I want to print out our, I want to print this out. False, false, what does that mean? Then we're not inside of it? That's fine, the point is it's working, okay? So, wait, where are you? Okay, if getting the last portal equals blue and we're not doing that, then sure, go ahead, else do that. Okay. Minus. Okay, so this has no reason to be here. I feel like there's such an obvious solution to this that I'm just not seeing. Whoops. Whoops. Okay. Oh, hey there. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. So right now, wait, let me just get rid of this. We don't care about our triggers at this point. Our triggers are fine. So, welcome to the stream. Let me show you what we got from yesterday. Because I believe you joined yesterday. I remember you. Yes, look at this. So, we have seamless portals. Look at this. So, and we can go back. I fixed that. So our actual portals are fine. It's just visuals that need to be tweaked now. Because if you look, as I entered this yellow, you can see that it does not start off small. It starts off big, and then it gets smaller for some reason. That's not what we want. If we want to get, if we want this to be seamless, I just opened up Minecraft. Now why would I do that? Why would I open up Minecraft? Now we gotta just edit this. Okay. Okay, let's make a return function again. Value collision. Oh, yes, rectangle collider. We're going to call this boolean return value equals player.intersects collider. Okay. Then we just return our return value. Okay. So we're gonna say if game dots. Well, we don't need the inner game class. C dot return value collision. Why did I do that? No, that's stupid. No. Collider. Orange. Portal. Super collider. Actually, we already have this all for us. We could just do this. Just return that. So if it's true, meaning the last portal that we entered was our blue one, right? Then the only other logical thing to do would be to add this. It's working temporarily. No, I lied. Let's print the value. Actually, instead of doing that, just test blue squad wipe. You killed them all. Okay. Right. Okay. We figured out the problem. This should be a that value. Yes, that value. Oh, right. We gotta reset our index. So index equals 0. Wait, let's run this again. Okay. I found another way of doing this. So instead of doing it this way, what we can do is we can make we can just do this. Perhaps. I have no idea why I thought that would work. Because that's the exact same thing we don't want doing. Oh, okay. Funuki. Well, okay. So here's the thing. Here's where it falls into some legal trouble. I can make a. Okay, if you give me like a month, I can make an Undertale, like a good, because that video was cool, but like it wasn't practical. You can't. You can use it. You can technically make battles with it, but they're not engaging enough. But if you give me a month, I can make like an actual, like a good one in Java. But I legally, or at least where I live, legally I cannot redistribute that because I use, unless you plan on making your own art, but legally I cannot redistribute the assets because I use copyrighted images like Sans and even the name Undertale, so I can't like hand that out. You know what I'm saying? So wait, what's this? Nice. Anyways, that's my point. I can't. I would love to help you, and if you want to make your own game, like and inspired by Undertale, by all means, I'll help you make like a battle engine. Um, but unfortunately, I can't do anything else more than that. Like I can't help you redistribute it. This is being annoying. This is irritating. Okay, no, we don't need to do that anymore. Minus index minus p dot get x. That's interesting. Wait, let's multiply this by sign. And math that sign, maybe? Yes! Oh, does that not work? There you go. Signum. And our p dot get x. Well, technically we wouldn't want to, whoops, yeah, let's cast that. Okay. Why? Well, why does that not even work? Because we're multiplying it by 1. That's why it's not working. Okay, so I think, okay, we might as well make the system now. So, we're gonna have to update. So, we can actually cross this off the list right now. Since we're making it right now. Okay, so we did this. This is done. So, public int HSP and public int VSP. Now, these are gonna be really important in the sense of generate setters, getters. This is ugly. We don't want that there. Okay. Now we're gonna set public void player update. We're gonna say x plus equals HSP and y plus equals VSP. And these are both going to be equal to 0 at the start. Now, in our keyboard class, also we're going to have to call our player. So we're going to say p.get, well, p.update, player update. There you go. Keyboard. Actually. Okay, whatever. Keyboard class, we're just going to write game.p dot set HSP equal to 3 or something. No, no, phew, no, I don't know what I'm on about. Game dot P dot speed. Now, in theory, this should just completely replace all this. But in case it doesn't, we're just gonna save it. Negative game mode speed. Hey, this is good. Oh, whoops! I forgot to. It's my bad on that one. Else, okay, that's nice. We have that. Okay. Oops. Okay. Cool. Incomes? Oh, right. I mean, it's definitely a really cool idea. Like, that'd be super cool to play on a Nuki device Undertale. We don't need this. And we don't need this now. Okay, and why did I implement this? There was no point in me implementing that. Wait, maybe there is. Sorry, I was drinking some tea. Anyways, I remember now. This is why. P dot get HSP. What? Where are you? Having a mental breakdown. Oh. Oh. Wait. Let's sleep that 10 for now, temporarily. This is gonna be changed. Obviously that's not working. And after all that, you're still being a bitch. Why can't you just work? What did I do to you, man? Okay, first of all, this... Why are we even casting that? This should be... Plus... Okay. Because I think right now we're multiplying the whole thing, and that's not what we want. Get smaller? Okay, pushes it out. Oh. I'm making a note here. Huge success. Making a note here. Huge success. It's better than what we had before. I'll be the first to admit. So... Okay. Right. Now that we have that going for us, all we gotta do now is, well, if math dot sign p player HSP value why are you still freaking out about it? That's why. Okay, whoops. If this value is equal, well, rather I should say less than 0. Okay, its value is less than 0, meaning that we're in negatives and we're going to the left. What does that mean? Okay. If it's less than 0, then we're just going we're gonna have to add another statement here. And math. Oh no, we don't even need math here. We just need p.getWidth is greater than 0. Then we say p dot get dot set width. We can do dot set width 0. I don't even know what I just did. That's what I did. Okay. Greater than 0. That's working, I guess, in theory. Right. Okay. So let's don't forget to add our index. And I want to print out our index because I have no clue where we're even giving our index to. Right, we're not even updating our index. That's a problem. This is complicated. Oops, I almost spilled my tea. Huh. Wow. That's really good. As that's actually really cool. So I am very stuck. Okay, let's not set our width to 0. But rather maybe set our index to 0. I don't know, maybe. Honestly, we should have just left it how we had it. Like before. Yeah, I know this is working. It's just we need to set our width to 0. Holy moly! I just realized we could have just done this the whole entire time. Instead of doing all that complicated math. Excuse me. That's working. That's working, except now... Okay, this can be an easy fix. This can go one of two ways. We can do int I, well, temp width equals 0. So by default. Okay, then we're gonna say if p dot get hsp, and let's sign it. So math dot sign them is greater than 0. So we're going to the right. So if we're going to the right, that means that we must be going to there. So we say temp width equals 0. Else we say our temp width equals what? No. Our temp width equals p dot get width. Okay, we're gonna make constant public const never change width. Temp width equals 6 equals width. Okay. Oh, so I forgot public final int. There we go. P dot. Why does it do that? P dot width, temp width. There we go. Sorry, that's not gonna do anything. Forgot to add this. Temp width. Okay. Okay, we never want to put it at 0. I just realized that. I don't know, but let's set it to like some arbitrary number. I don't know. I have no clue how I got that so smooth, but maybe it's faster in real time. So, what was this at for? Portals, it's smooth, but not. Okay, we're gonna have to create public int temp HSP equals HSP and public int temp VS. The reason we're creating vertical speed is because we need later I want to make jumping, and this is just gonna make jumping super easy. Actually, now that I think about it, we should just make a jump speed right now. So public int jspeed equals -20, and then public. Okay, yeah, we also need gravity. So public int grav equals, I don't know, like 2. Obviously, that's for later. That's tomorrow. I don't know, maybe tomorrow. I will stream tomorrow, most likely. Generate getters and setters. Okay, we're gonna need to get the JSpeed eventually. The grav is gonna be local. Last portal, no. Speed, no. Temp, yes. No, wait, no. Do we need one for temp width? Why do we have a temp width? That's why we have a temp width. Wait, but do we use the temp width? No, because it's the final. So we only need these. Okay, just copy these. Portals. Yes. Love portals. Okay. Game.p. Set temp HSP. Negative game dot p dot get speed. No, this needs to be get speed. Okay, and then we just come over here, and here's what we're gonna use for. That's not gonna work. That's stupid. Wait, it will work. It will work. It will work. We have to have a positive attitude. Without a positive attitude. Wait, let me just make sure this works. Okay, it does. Okay, we gotta get our positive attitude, positive mindset, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, get our temp, get temp HSP. There we go. Why? There we go. Okay, it works. I'm sorry, this is so cool. Wait, why are you acting weird? Okay, that's a slight issue. The point is, oh my gosh, chat. Chat, you guys see this? We have portals. This is it. Okay, we just need to change one more thing, and we got it. Okay, also, let's see what else we can chalk up our list. Update player, we did an update then. So, okay, we can just delete all of this now. Don't even need this anymore. Okay, it's gone. Then we gotta update this. Okay, there we go. Okay. Look, guys. Oh, it's been an amazing journey so far. This has to be one of my favorite projects I ever did in Java. This and one more that's coming up soon. I haven't even begun editing it yet. By the way, this is my editing software. Filmora. Honestly, my videos don't need to be edited that much. It's just add like a couple title cards. And obviously there's some videos that I have to edit, like my Minecraft video. I edited that a lot. And like all my programming videos, like my actual programming. A fan. Should be a fan. Wait, you mean like a fan of the channel, or... So wait, do you mean a fan of the channel, or do you mean like a fan, like a literal, like a literal fan? Facts here. Anyways, while you're answering to that, let's play around some portals. Okay, I've noticed that sometimes... Okay, you know what? That's sometimes, and who cares about sometimes? Right there. This is a problem. This should not be over. That should not be over. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be in... This... shoot. Okay, we don't need to print this out anymore. Okay, we're making... Okay, screw this. This sucks. We make our int. Int width equals that. And then we can just replace this big statement with width. Okay, okay, width int width if, well, we're gonna set with originally equal to 0. But then we're gonna say if width equals, I don't know, if width is greater, okay, if width is less than p dot get, do we want to get our final? Yes, we do. We want to get our final width. So temp width. No. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Okay, if it's less than, then just do that. Okay. I don't know why I achieved there. What I wanted to achieve there. Else we're just gonna say width equals p dot temp width. I'm sorry. This looks way too smooth. I love it. Also, we don't need to. Okay, okay. Let's just close all. Let's open exactly what we need. Game, keyboard, collision. Yes, we don't need this. And we're not going to be needing our keyboard stuff anymore. Okay, alright, consoles. Yeah, don't do that. Oh, sorry. Oh, I missed out on a lot. Okay, if you're still here, welcome to the stream. Wait, let me just, say this. Welcome to the stream. So, I'm doing good. Thank you very much. Um, Gremlin, I am not using OpenGL. Well, LWJGL, I am not. This is completely by pure Java. Well, and obviously the built-in Java stuff. So, yeah, it's plain old Java. Nothing new here. No libraries. Um, oh, I'm doing really good today. Well, not really good. I'm doing good. I'm very tired. I'm very tired today. So, doing good. Thanks. How are you today, Evsan? Anyways, so for everyone who just joined the stream, let me show you this. Look at this. We have portals. So this is what we made. And currently, we were working on an issue of this. So you see how when we go through our orange portal, how we become big like this? We need to solve that. Because right now our width is 75. We want to cap this at 64. So, yeah. 1 second. 1 second. My mom's calling. Sorry. Be right back. Alright. I'm back. So, Oh, thank you guys for liking the stream. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Yeah, this is nice. 6. That's the most I've had on a stream for a while. Anyways, what were we working on? We were working on this. Right. Okay. If width is less than temp width. Okay. Because right now this isn't working. Clearly. I know why. This should be declared up here. Public. Okay, and now, yeah, there we go. Oh? Wait, what? Where are you? Why are you doing that? Okay, that's being weird now. So it works fine, right? Yeah, that's beautiful. It's just now we gotta find a way on how to reset that. Because right now it's only doing it once. Hey, 7 likes, wow. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so we got our width now. This is working. Okay, so portals are done. Now we just need to make sure that the portal itself is fine. In the sense that... Okay, after this, I think I'm gonna tomorrow. That's tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna do that. I was gonna say, I was gonna optimize all this. Like, make it look pretty. Like, in terms of code. Make the code look nice. But that's tomorrow's job. Width equals p temp width. Something about that print ln width. I don't know. Oh, I know. So let's do width. Okay. Okay, we can also change that to this. Maybe this will work. No, it's ugly. I mean, it works. But that, look at this chat. Yeah, that. Yeah, that's bad, okay? Yeah, it's because it's fighting between these two. Plants vs. Zombies? I never played Plants vs. Zombies. I mean, I was at my old childhood friend's house, right? We were, maybe 8, 9. He just got his new computer, right? I still remember him. We're not in contact anymore, but he's a really nice kid. He had this computer. He got his computer, and he got Plants vs. Zombies, and he showed me it, right? And this was like the coolest thing, right? It also has a really good soundtrack, but I forgot all about it, honestly. But I think I know how the gameplay works. So I would rather make Team Fortress 2. I mean, Team Fortress 2 I have more experience with. Because, like, Notch made a thing called Herp Fortress, and actually, that's what Notch inspired me to program. That's why I program. That's why I'm doing this live stream. Because Notch used to do live streams. and I really liked his old live streams. So maybe I thought maybe yeah, other people would like some programming live streams, and clearly you guys do, and that makes me happy that you guys like these live streams. So yeah, I mean, eventually I'll make Plants vs Zombies Faxter. Uh, Java. No, no. Why did I say Java? No, don't listen to me. C++. So, okay. You mean 2D game engine or 3D game engine? Because if you're writing, okay, if you mean without any libraries, so like no OpenGL or stuff, then Java. It would be easier to write it in Java. For best results, you would want to write in C++. However, if you're using if you're using, if you're using with libraries, so like if you're using OpenGL as well, then go C++, C++ all the way. Because Java, it's crappy compared to C++ in terms of what you can do with it if you really put effort into it. Because with enough effort, C++ will be your like dream. Like C++ is best. So yeah, 3D, go with C++. Yeah, just everything C++. If you want to like a serious game engine, write it in C++. If you want to like prototype something really quick, kind of like how like what I'm doing here with my portals, then do it in Java. It's easy. It's easy, nice, and fast. Okay. So, back to what we were doing. Right. Okay, let's just reset our width each time, and now this should... Whoops. Oh no, I hope that didn't cause an error. I swear an update method. Well, not update method, but... Let's run an update method. We can use the debug tool, which is really nice. Okay. Alright. Let's get coding. So first things first, let's get rid of that. That did nothing for us. Now we should be back at that, right? That's interesting. Because it still renders it on the other side. Whoops. Just not for that. If width is less than plus 2. Yeah, that's something we gotta fix. Still happens? Whoa, that's even worse now. Okay. Cool. Yeah, 1 second. I guess we can try making this an else width is greater than p dot temp width instead, and then down here we can just say width equals 0. Of course, after the fact. Our this is looking promising, chat. For frick's sake. We still have the exact same issue. Look. Look, can we come here? Look, that. Right there. Now, and this makes no sense to me. Because, wait, let's print on once. Okay, this one I guess can be equal to, right? No? Wait, what? There you go. Let's try setting these to fixed values real quick. Just need to test something. Else is... Well, first of all, let's just print our width, because I'm damn curious what our width is. 65? Then why aren't you working? If this is supposed to be 65, okay, if our width is 65, then width is greater than 64. Your logic is flawed. This makes no sense. Okay, that makes absolutely 0 sense, actually. You know what? Equals. We're setting it to equals. I don't know. That works. God knows why, but it works. And then jitter physics. Why? Why do you hate me? Java, why do you hate me? Sometimes Java hates me. I don't know why. It just does sometimes. And I think that might be because of this. Oh man, we got this. That's nice. Okay, so in real time, it's fine. Actually, in real time, it looks really nice. But in real time, it looks like kind of choppy. You don't appreciate it as much because it looks kind of weird. So until then, we gotta figure out why that's not working. The thing is, you can't like make it. Get what I'm saying? What's this? Yeah. Prototype it in Java. I don't know how cats can bark, but I think you meant dog. Presume you meant dog. But see you, Faxfer. Actually, I'm a call. Oh wait, no, I can't sleep if I don't get this working. I want to get these portals working. Because we're so damn close. That. That right there. That right there, ladies and gentlemen. Because this needs to be... This... 1 second. Alright, I'm back. I'm back. Okay, so... Wait, am I streaming? Yes. Alright, I'm gonna cap this at 2 hours, so 4 minutes left to the stream. op.isdrawmirror. Okay, so this is doing good for us. Because we now know with this information that this is fine. This is absolutely fine. I have no idea. I don't know. Well, then let's just turn on the fan real quick. Does my mic pick this up? Wait, let's try. No, it's fine. Okay, it's showing me. Okay, can you guys hear that? Tell me if this bothers you, because it's showing that my mic is like fine, because it's still around here, this area, even when my fan's turned off. So I'm assuming it's not picking it up. Anyways. What if we just made these like 2 different things? I don't know. What? Oh. Chat, we did it. Chat, we did it. We got portals. Portals. Albeit, sometimes the orange portal is still a little bit glitchy. Don't know why. I have actually a pretty good idea why, but we have portals. Okay. Oh, let's go! Oh my gosh. We did it. 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 Okay. And just for a final victory, let's do this. Let's get rid of that and boom. Let's just let it run for a little bit. Excuse me. Why does that work? Okay, I guess you can do that. What I'd rather do, just coming here and just saying it was like 2 or something, I don't know. Okay, so we can't do the grand finale I was hoping for. So we're gonna have to emulate it by hand. So I just wanted to make a little quick loop of the portals going. But we did it. This is Portal. Well, obviously, like I said, I made all these cute little sprites and stuff. Like I made that. Hey, companion cube. I'm gonna have to call it for an end here. So, thank you all for watching. It's been an adventure. This stream. This stream has been just so hectic, honestly. This stream was an emotional roller coaster, honestly. In terms of good stuff, like we made a lot of progress today. Like a lot, because like look, we crossed 2 things off our list. Like 2 whole things. So tomorrow let's optimize our code so that it runs better. Now make it more object-oriented programming. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's all we gotta do for tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow, I'll make Portal Gun tomorrow. Portal Gun and Optimize. Portal Gun's gonna be fun. Yeah. So, thank you all for joining me today. I'm gonna go to bed. So, alright. Good night, everybody.